It is about really the current conventional ways in which we store energy aren't going to cut it anymore. Our expectations, as they should be, are much higher. To use less resources, to be safe, to be able to design freely and openly, and to have multiple lives, multiple uses of the same battery before it's recycled.
The ION 3D architecture enables flexible integration of different chemistries. And within the context of lithium-ion batteries, what this means is that we can eliminate cobalt, or we can eliminate nickel-cobalt batteries altogether.
The other aspect of ion storage systems technology, which makes it truly unique, is that we are able to get high-rate lithium metal cycling for the cell without any applied external pressure and without having to go to elevated temperature. Both of those things are critical if you're going to make these acceptable for automotive applications, and even more than that for consumer electronics.
ION's bi-layer cell design is truly a breakthrough for the industry. The architecture addresses the technological barriers that have historically plagued solid-state batteries, and ultimately enables that critical next generation performance required for widespread adoption, including high energy density, strong cycling performance, wide temperature range, and fast charging.
So we certainly pay a lot of attention to the technology differentiators of companies and the moats that those present. And ION is in no exception to having a wide moat around its IP. But what we really think differentiates ION and why we were compelled to invest and be part of their growth plan is the ecosystem for ION.
ION's architectural approach to battery manufacturing allows it to take advantage of the coming improvements in various cathode technologies, whether they are cobalt-free, nickel-free, addressing not just the cost, but also the ethical and moral implications of how these metals are mined globally.
There are a variety of different applications that batteries can be used for, yet only one company that we have found, and that is ION Storage, has an architecture that's flexible enough to be applied to all these different market opportunities.
And ION, as they do this, in no way are they compromising. They're actually achieving higher voltage batteries and with higher voltage cathodes to increase performance and drive down cost.
There are no compromises in the ION battery. I think there are very few times you've ever thought about that coming from a battery. But you typically think about the compromises. You typically think about the long charge time or the short range. When you get ION's new platform, those things will be concerns of the past.